Morning, guys. Day 3. Hopefully the last load out here on this brush pile. Turn you around and see what's left. It's got these logs here, that little pile of brush. There's a little bit of stuff in that little pile over there. There's a little bit of wood back there. Some little knick-knack stuff laying around on the ground. And then we've got to get that trailer back there on the back. I'll probably drag it around here and load it from up here so I don't have to get out there on the soft ground. All right, well, we'll see you guys after we're loaded. Just like that, load 9 is on the trailer. Everything's cleaned up. It's graded off. You see the little trailer's empty. There's a big old pile of dirt that they had pushed up. I guess as they was pushing up this brush. So all that dirt can't go to the recycler, obviously. So they're gonna use that to fill in low spots down there around the pond and probably up here. There's a couple low spots up here at the front. But you can see the trailer is loaded down, strapped down. And we are out of here. Call it a wraps on this one. Go get this dumped. Probably go catch up on some paperwork back at the office. See you guys.